Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to search a place using its coordinate. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end and don't skip a part. So let's get started. First, open a Google map, either on your app or on the web browser. Then in the search bar, type in the coordinate. Then tap on search. And as you can see, using this coordinate, we have located this place. If you want to know the coordinate of any other place, all you gotta do is tap on that place. For example, let's say I want the coordinate of this place. I will tap on it. Then here's the coordinate. Simply tap on it and you will get the coordinate of this place. You can copy it. Let's get somewhere far from this place, around here. Then in the search bar, let's paste coordinate and search for it. And there you have it. This is how you search a location using its coordinate. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.